Hello and welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I would like to showcase this website right here. It is an interesting startup, a pretty cool website idea. Basically, it lets you type a message and Clash right here will combine several different music and movies and even YouTube videos and sing it right back to you. So let's click on begin right here and basically type your message. Right now you have 140 characters. So once you type it in, so here it is. I type this little message in right here and then you click on play.
Thanks for checking. Master.
Please.
Give this thumbs.
Nice.
Okay, so I hope you enjoy the Clash that I made, and you can go ahead and make your own Clash. And so this is a potentially good, cool website idea that can spread around once the visitor creates the Clash music, and then they can click here to share it. So it's interesting, and I enjoy it, reviewing these kind of new startups. And again, I hope you enjoy it. Please leave a comment down below if you have any interesting startup ideas or website ideas that you have or stumbled upon, and I will take a look and showcase the website on my video. Okay, thanks so much for checking out How to Webmaster. And until next time, happy surfing.